week we crossed into Indonesia, caught a ferry to Flores and climbed Kelimutu. Now we're doing a bit of a zigzag across the island, stopping in Riung to go diving, then down to Bajawa to soak in the hot springs, and finally heading to Labuan Bajo. And as always, we're blessed with some pretty amazing scenery along the way. We've come to the north coast of Flores to a little fishing town called Riung. We're staying at a place called Cafe Del Mar, and the owner, Itchan, has let us camp in his driveway, which is really lovely of him. So Riung is home to the 17 Islands National Park, which is meant to be some really good snorkeling and diving. So we've asked him if we can get a boat to take us out there today. I'm looking forward to it. It feels like it's been ages since we've been in the water.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds.
We've just left Cafe Del Mar and it was really nice of Itchan having us there for a few days. He really looked after us, so if you're in the area I definitely recommend going and seeing him and staying at his lovely little guest house. Today we're heading south to a town called Bajawa, which is Bajawa. Keep saying it wrong. And there's a volcano there which we can climb up, there's some hot springs, and it's also a good place to base yourself out of to go. There's a couple of really traditional villages.
We've come down to some hot springs just south of Bajawa. Decided to spend the afternoon here relaxing in the water. As you can see, this stream meets this stream. This one's hot water, this one's cold water. So we'll go for a swim down here and yeah, chill out.
We pulled in here last night, which the hot springs, you just walk over that way. There's a little shop here and a restaurant where we've just had a lovely breakfast of 2-minute noodles and an omelette, which was pretty good. We're now going to start making our way over to the west coast to Bajawa.
Planning the route for today. This is where we are, and this is apparently the road we have to go on, which I think will be much more fun on a motorbike. I think we might actually just take a shortcut down the coast here. Much easier on the brakes.
This is the Gurisina traditional village, which is only about maybe a 10-minute drive from where we were at the hot springs. Really impressive. Gurisina village is the youngest of the villages in the region, having moved here around 200 years ago. The stone altars seen here are used as a means to connect with the supernatural realm and to communicate with the ancestors, often by animal sacrifice. Most of the houses are adorned with skulls and horns of buffaloes to attest to sacrifices made by the household at various ceremonies.
When we hit the coast, we took a break from the windy roads at this secret beach. Not so much of a secret though, as it's called Secret Beach and is on the map. We did have it to ourselves though, so perhaps nobody else has a map.
Driving all day through the mountains, up and down and up and down and up and down, we finally spotted the coast again. We're about 20 k's out of Bajawa and we're driving down and check out this view.
Yeah,
Although we could have stayed there and watched the beautiful sunset, we thought we should probably get into Labuan Bajo before it gets dark to find somewhere to set up for the night. We found a sweet camping spot up on the top of the hill, looking out down over the harbour of Labuan Bajo. And how good is that? So the camp spot is in a bit of a construction site, but you know, can't complain.
Today's the day we finally get to go diving in Komodo. We've waited all week for this, and glad we did because we finally got some sunshine, which it hasn't been in the last few days.
Such a clear sky.
Yeah, it's supposed to be low 30s, so it's looking like it's shaping up to be a good day. Finding a good shop, or the right shop to go with in Labuan Bajo is a little bit difficult because there's about 30 dive shops here and they all charge exactly the same. They have exactly the same reviews on TripAdvisor and they all go to the same place, so yeah. I don't know. We've decided to go with Dragon because they spent a lot of time telling us the spots. They picked a good itinerary for us, and they're new, so all the gear's new, boats new.
The place is sweet.
And they got a sweet hostel to hang out in too. So yeah, we're about to head off, and hopefully we get some breakfast soon because I am starving.
Donuts and coffee is on the menu.
Yay! Good nutritious breakfast before a big day diving.
We need our sugar kick.
But I don't think you can do right now.
Dive at Manda Point, and we've seen, I think maybe, I don't know, I wasn't counting, but I think there was like 8 to 10 mantas, and it was the best thing ever. They come down and they just sort of, you're just like sitting on the rocks at the bottom and then they swoop down over the top of you. Oh, that was like such a good experience. I'm pretty high on life right now. We're just going to have some lunch and then we're going to our final dive for the day.
Dive is still in the central of Komodo. That's called Batu Bolong. That's a really famous dive spot here in Komodo. Batu means rock and Bolong means hole, because from here we can't see that, but on the other side there is a big hole in the rock. Okay, so that's a huge pinnacle in the middle of nowhere.
Excuse the jumpy footage, our GoPro had a heart attack and cleared our SD card. After a lengthy recovery and repair process, this is unfortunately the best we could do. A good excuse though to have to go diving again. That's it for this episode. We hope you enjoyed following our little adventure across Flores. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button in the top right and catch our next episode where we explore the rest of Flores. Thanks for watching. See you next time.